Everybody, hello. Happy Monday afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. And if you're just new on this video and joining in on our family, guys, please don't forget to get subscribed. We would greatly appreciate it. Welcome to the family, guys. Welcome to the channel. Again, happy Monday to you guys. Hope all is going well so far. My recap is yesterday we had a family gathering. For those that are new on this video and on this channel, my daughter, one of my youngest daughters, that is, just got engaged. So we had a little family engagement party. We have rented out a venue and we had an engagement party for my daughter. And it was really nice, guys. It actually turned out to be a really nice engagement party. A nice little turnout of people. The weather was very permitting. So I didn't have to worry about the rain, which is weird because the day before it was raining, cold, and everything else. But on this day, which was yesterday, Sunday, we had really good weather. So that was like a really good thing. Today's Monday, though. I'm about to go pick up my daughter from... What the heck? I'm going to go pick up my youngest daughter from high school, her high school. She just got out of school. And... Thank you. You hold it. And... I'm about to relax and sit down, enjoy this day that I have today, guys. I've been already a little bit annoyed today, but I'm not letting nobody, I did what I had to do, say what I had to say. I'm not even going to digress about it, but I was literally annoyed at the break of dawn today, and it's like, what? When you get up and you be in a good place and in a good space, and then in comes the bull. Like I said, you can literally count on it every time. Somewhere, somehow, somebody going to come with the, annoying BS and try to, like, change the trajectory of. It's like, you know what, I'm not doing this, whatever. So I'm gonna go about my day, continue to have me a good day today, enjoy the rest of my week that I have, go pick up my daughter, give me some rest again, take me a nice little nap today. That's what I'm planning on doing, and just embrace each and every day that I have. I don't have time for the BS no more. I'm getting too old for it. And like I said before, when I see the BS coming from it, I'm going the other way. I'm going that way. I'm not doing it because some people be pissing me off. Understand? Have to push the button, per se. But, welcome to my crazy big black family, guys. I hope that you're enjoying this Monday and that you're having a nice day today. I hope that there's going to be a nice week. It's a little warm out here today. It's not bad. I feel a little overdressed. I'm like, damn, I could have got in the car without a coat today. It's a little warm out here, guys. Not gonna lie. I was thinking it was a little chilly, but yeah. It's I'm feeling a little bit of the heat today. But I rather did it that because, like I said, we just recently, take this down for me, we just recently was having like rain and cold mixed with like freaking sleet and everything else. So just to have some, I got it. Just to have some, just sun and, warmth. That sounds like a good deal for me. I'll take that versus the Massachusetts blink of an eye weather. It literally be cold as I don't know what one day, and then you got 70, 60 degrees the next day. Comment down below what you're dealing with today or what you're doing today, and if your day started off in a good way or a bad way. Let's just say mine started off, you know. Y'all see my face? C'est la vie, I guess. And for those who don't know what that means that's just the way it goes. C'est la vie. Because I'm just literally going to have to scale it back today and give me some much needed relaxation. I've been working non-stop around the clock, literally non-stop. I'm going to just take it back a notch, give me a little rest and relaxation. I hate when people turn, oh man, it's a little emergency down here. Yeah, I see that, guys. Brianna, get that video. Hold the camera towards that way. I got a little emergency down here, guys. So we have our local fire department, police department, and ambulance. I hope that everything is okay. And somebody, they're bringing out the bed. So I hope that all is well over there at 2 something in the afternoon. I pray for them, whoever that person is, because that's not a good look at this time of day. You wonder if everything is okay. But guys, I want to just come in on here and just say, yes, guys, we had an amazing day yesterday. It was a nice get together. Please, I encourage y'all, go watch the videos that I post, or watch the live video that I posted. There will be times in the video that you will hear it will be muted. I muted it because for the simple fact we were in a venue and there was music playing. But other than that, guys, I would have not been muting it, but I had to, you know, and even still, I still ended up getting a little bit of copyright. So, you know, please, I encourage y'all to go watch that live video. Go watch the other. I posted like a couple little videos, shorter version videos of the venue and how our day went, and you guys would really like it. So I encourage you to go check it out, guys. I'm here picking my daughter up. Well, what did you get ready to go back to the school for? Hey, Bully.
Hi.
What's wrong? Why you have that look on your face?
I want to go home.
You what?
I want to go home.
Well, it's time. Am I that late? You just got out at 2:03. This clock says 2:12. So I'm 9 minutes late. Still get caught in the BS. Yeah, I'm in this school BS. You guys, you see the vibe, the line. If you're a parent who drops off and picks up, you know how it is at the school, the line. I hate the line. Comment down below if you hate the line. It's annoying. It doesn't matter what time you come, it's still the line. I try to avoid it and still I get it. But if I cut through and everything else, it's frowned upon. Comment down below how they be looking like if you cut through the line. How it's frowned upon, but everybody else choose to do what they want to do. Some people, they just cut right through it. They didn't go the round way, the regular way. But I'd be the person that cut through and like, oh no, everybody looking at me, what are you doing? Or looking, beeping their horns and everything else. For real, it's like, what? But yes, guys, I want to just thank everybody for the support on my crazy big black family. And I also want to ask you guys to don't forget when you see this video, what in the hell is this boy doing? Lord have mercy. Can somebody show this video? Okay, so you decided after that you needed to bust a UE and go back. You just left the parking lot in school. Again, not a good thing, but okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my crazy big black family, guys. have a happy Monday morning, afternoon, because it's a little late. It's afternoon now, so if it started off like mine's did, just go somewhere and have a nice rest of the day, because I can totally get I don't know what happened. You want to get a little visual?
No.
Yeah, guys, I don't know what happened over there. When we came down, at least today was there. I don't know what happened. But this is a little drive-through in a will you please? Oh my gosh, this is a two-way street. She's literally on my side. Comment down below, guys. Again, do you guys, like, when there's a two-way, when somebody turns into the street, is it me, or do you guys not like when they turn all the way into the other lane like it's a one-way street? This is literally a two-way street, and that lady turned all the way crossed the line, almost on my side on the side of the street. It's ridiculous. Welcome to my state of Massachusetts. There's a name they call us up here, but I'm not gonna say it. But you could probably Google that, because people up here be doing the weirdest things on the road, and it's so annoying. I'm telling you. And you wonder why, like, how did I fail my first road test? How? Because quite frankly, I probably should have passed my first road test with bells on if it was simple things that I see every day going on out here that totally don't follow the guidelines of passing to get a license. But okay. I'm just saying. I guess I was that unlucky person. But I can't call it. I literally can't call it. Nice little day guys, though. I'm not gonna lie, it's beautiful outside. Oh, the air feels amazing. It feels nice and fresh, guys. And I'm just trying to like I said, take me a little look at this. Look. Going off fast so I can't. Again, another one of my pet peeves on the road. When somebody sees you about to take the turn and they're coming this way and they break their neck to stop that turn. Why? Why are you gonna do that? Let's call this a driving vlog too.